been using the profit first model inside my business with my accounts at Relay. This has allowed me to create a profitable business where I am confident that I have the money to make payroll, pay my expenses, and give myself bonuses throughout the year. It has completely transformed how I feel about my business finances, and I love Relay for making that happen. And I love how easy Relay has made it to implement the profit first model with their technology. Relay is actually a financial technology company. They are not a bank, so they are basically a company that has created business checking accounts and business savings accounts, and they have provided a lot of tools inside of those accounts that allow you to set up automations and make your money go where it needs to go without worrying about it. I have really seen my business transform because of Relay handling everything in the back end. So now we're going to look at how to set up the profit first rule inside of Relay so that you can be profitable and empowered in your own business finances. Let's get to it.
Okay, if you want to reorder your accounts, you can click this reorder button and then you can drag and drop them however you want them. I'm going to put my income account first, then owner's compensation after profit, then taxes and operating expenses last. So I'm going to do that and save it. And now to do the automatic profit first rule, you are going to go up to the move money drop down, click that, and go to auto transfer rules, click on that. Then they have the profit first rule kind of already built into the Relay account, which is awesome. So you just click on this and then you give it a nickname. I'm going to call mine profit first just so I know what it is. And then you can choose the frequency of when this happens, every day, week, month, or twice a month. I'm going to do mine twice a month because that kind of lines up with when I get paid. So I'm going to do the 1st and 15th, but you can select any day on the drop down. Then basically you are going to say how much you want to keep in your main account. So my income account, I'm going to keep 500 in there. And then the excess above that is going to be transferred into these other accounts. So basically I'm going to transfer 50% into owner's compensation so that I can get paid, 30% into operating expenses, 15% into my tax account, so I'm saving for taxes, and then let's see, 5% for profit. So that is basically the profit first model, and you can adjust these. You could do 55% to owner's compensation and 25% for operating expenses if you don't have a lot of expenses like I don't. So that's actually what I'm going to be doing. And then once you're happy with your customized profit first rule, you're going to click down here, the button that says create auto transfer rule, click that. Then it will show you a confirmation page of what you have set up and kind of review the details, make sure you like how it looks, and you have your main account where everything comes in. Then you have your percentages for everything above that. It will tell you when the first one starts and what time it starts, and you can always edit or cancel this rule at any time. So that's pretty nice. If you're happy with it, click the confirm auto transfer rule down here and it creates it for you. So I have created my first auto transfer rule with the profit first model. I'm super excited about this. If I ever want to turn it off, I can always make it inactive by selecting the toggle or clicking the 3 little dots here, and you can always delete or edit the transfer rule, and you can turn it back active or inactive by using the toggle. So that's pretty much everything you need to know about setting up your Relay account. Mine is all set up. I'm ready to go.
I've been using Relay's business checking and savings accounts for over 6 months now, and it has transformed how I feel about my business because it has set up everything on the back end financially to allow me to be more confident and profitable in my own business. Relay is a financial technology company, not a bank, but they have transformed my own personal finances with their automation tools and everything that they offer inside of their accounts. It has taken me from a stressed out business owner to someone that feels confident, empowered, and profitable. And I want that for everybody that runs a business.